First of all, YouTube is an excellent platform for getting clients, one of the best. And second, you need a very specific strategy to create videos that are going to attract your ideal clients. Now, you don't want to create videos that make people say, "Oh, that's nice. That was interesting." Instead, you want to create videos that make people say, "That was interesting. She's amazing. How do I work with her?" So I'm going to break down the 4 components of a client getting YouTube video in this video. Are you ready? Hey go-getter, it's Salma Jafri, and on this channel, I'll help you grow your visibility, credibility, and profitability with YouTube. So hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's begin. If your goal is to get clients and business from your YouTube channel, then there are 4 components that you need to think critically about. The first one is to understand your audience and where they are at. There are 3 types of audiences. The first one are people who don't even know that they have a problem. The second type are people who know they have a problem, but they're not ready to solve that problem. So there's no urgency. The problem is not a priority for them. The third kind of people are the ones who know they have a problem and they have a desire, immediate desire and need to solve that problem. So they have urgency and that problem is a priority for them to solve. So the third kind are really the kind of people that you're looking to attract with your client getting videos because they have a problem, they want to solve that problem, and they're looking for solutions, actively searching for ways to solve their problem. Okay, so let's do a fun little exercise. I'm going to put up 2 videos on screen in just a second, and I want you to guess which one is a client getting video that solves an immediate problem and which one is not a video that is going to attract clients. Okay, so ready? I'm going to put that up and then I'm not going to reveal the answer. I want you to tell me what the answer is in the comments below. So I'm going to put both these up and then I'm going to look at your comments. Okay, so in your comments, also let me know why you think the video that you chose is the one that's going to attract clients. Now, the second component is to ask yourself this question: why do people buy products and services? Now, most people buy for 2 reasons. They either want to avoid pain, they have a problem, it hurts them, they want to solve that problem, right? They want to avoid pain. Or they want some kind of pleasure or satisfaction. They want to gain something, right? So they want to avoid pain, gain pleasure. Those are the 2 typical reasons why people make purchases. Now think about YouTube as a platform. There are 2 types of videos. I mean, there are lots of types, but there are basically 2 types of videos on this platform. One are problem-solving videos. They could be educational, they could be informative, they could be knowledge-driven videos, but they typically solve problems. So we're going to categorize them as problem-solving videos. The other types of videos on YouTube are purely entertainment videos. They exist just to make people laugh or cry or have, different emotions, and they're just there for entertainment purposes. So, for example, this would be an example of a problem-solving video, right? You're learning how to do something. You have a problem and you are solving that problem by watching this video. Conversely, this would be a type of video that is purely for entertainment. It's just for fun. You just kind of want to see what happens next. There's no real need to solve a problem in this. Now, if you're an entrepreneur trying to attract clients, what type of video of the 2 examples that I just shared is going to get you clients? The first kind, right? Especially if you have a home baking business, you definitely want to attract clients who are going to want to learn about different baking techniques. So the first kind is the kind of video that you want to create. Now, don't get me wrong. Just because you're creating problem-solving videos does not mean that you can't be entertaining, that you can't be funny, that you can't inject personality, that you can't be humorous. I am definitely not saying to create bland, boring academic videos. I am definitely not saying that, okay? I am saying that when you are creating these videos, make sure that you understand why your future clients are going to watch that video. And then by all means, inject all of your personality and make it entertaining as well. Okay, so now we're down to our third component, which is that people buy with emotions, not logic. When you understand this, this is such a game changer because think about it, we use our emotional needs to make the purchases and then we justify those purchases with logic. Right? So that's how the human brain typically processes buying decisions. So as entrepreneurs, what we want to do is identify the emotional needs of our future clients. So let's do this with an example. Let's say one of the goals that my audience wants to achieve is to start a YouTube channel. But the challenge they face or the problem they face is that they don't know what to say in their videos. The fear is that they're going to look awkward, they're going to ramble on camera, they're not going to be coherent, and they are just not going to look professional. The aspiration is to look smart and professional on camera and get your point across. So if I were going to come up with a video topic, which is a problem-solving video, client-getting video. Where do they want to be? What are their aspirations? What are the challenges stopping them from getting there? And what is the ultimate goal? Then I might create a video on what to say in your first video. Oh, wait a second. I did create a video on what to say in your first YouTube video. And this, I'll put it up here. This is the video that I created. The fourth and final component, which brings it all together, is to show them the next step. When we are taking people through a journey, it's really, really important to show them what happens next. You don't want to ever leave them in a lurch, especially not on YouTube, which is like distraction central because they're going to go off into watching cat videos before you can stop them. So you want to make sure that you end each and every video intentionally. And the two types of calls to action that I typically recommend if you want to get clients is either send them to watch another relevant video. Sometimes people need to watch 3, 5, 10, 15, 20 videos before they'll start to trust your advice and before they'll start to see value in your channel, right? So you want to send them to other related videos so that they can go deeper and deeper into the problem solution things that's happening inside your videos. The other way to end your videos is to give them something useful to download, which will help them take the next step on the journey with you. So it could be something relevant to the video. And I do have a video on different calls to actions and how to use them. I'll link to that video up here in the info card as well. So you can have a more clear idea about how to link out, what kind of downloads, where to put them, and all of that stuff. Now, a fantastic way to create client getting videos is to use something that I put together called my video content planner. It walks you through each step of your video, the emotions that go in, the strategy, the structure that goes into your videos. And I have that all as a free downloadable template, which you can download either from the end card over here or from the link in the description of this video. So go ahead and download that video content plan template and let me know if it works for you. I will see you in the next video.